A chemical plant that does not harm the environment is a myth. Yes, you got it right. Let me repeat once again. A chemical plant that does not harm the environment is a myth. Hi, I am Rajendra Utturkar, the author of the book Earn or Burn Your Profits. I am on a mission to help process plant facility owners and their management teams for safe and efficient plant operations. Those who are new to my channel, please watch my earlier videos where I have given a new definition of an accident. For your information, the new definition is: an accident is an incident that leads to damage to the environment. Accordingly, any harm to the environment by a chemical plant is an accident. You may ask a question: why only chemical plant? Naturally, because we are talking in context of chemical plant. I have explained the meaning of harming the environment in my previous video on the environment. You can go back and watch it. I have often observed people claiming their plants are not harming the environment. These kinds of statements are just an eyewash. A chemical plant that does not harm the ecosystem is a sheer myth. Do you want to know the truth about it? The truth is, a chemical plant cannot operate without damaging the environment. Simultaneously, let us note that we cannot live today without chemicals. So, environment or chemicals? Chemicals or environment? What is the solution? We need to choose both. A chemical plant interacts with surrounding, the environment, with biotic and abiotic components. Every chemical plant depends on environment practically for everything. This dependency includes, but not limited to, drawing raw materials and energy and discharging waste in gaseous, liquid and solid forms. Now my question: does this interaction between a chemical plant and surrounding help the PCD process, production, consumption and decomposition, or does it disturb the balance? What is your opinion? Drawing resources and energy and dumping emissions in the surrounding by a chemical plant adversely impacts the biotic and abiotic components. Water may lose drinking quality, air may become difficult to breathe, and soil may lose fertility, ultimately disturbing the climate and increasing the ambient temperature. The biota, in vicinity of chemical plant, interacts with contaminated water and soil, polluted air and ambient temperature. What would happen next? It harms the sustainability of all the three components: biotic, abiotic and plant facility. My new book, Earn or Burn Your Profits, discusses in depth the interaction between a chemical plant and the environment. I am sure you will love to learn about this interaction, and the book will help you to find your path towards sustainable chemical manufacturing business. Do you want sustainable business in your life? Then go and grab your copy of my book, Earn or Burn Your Profits. I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences about this video. Please leave your comments below. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button to avoid missing any of my videos I make especially for you. Till then, here is Rajendra Utturkar signing off for now, and see you in my next video.